The Sunshine Coast is growing and we're building more than just communities. We're building a place where people feel safe and valued, and racism has no place.
It starts with a simple promise: to treat each other with respect and care.
We are asking businesses, clubs, individuals to pledge their intentional support for cultural diversity and inclusion.
By making this pledge, you commit to creating spaces where everyone is safe and supported.
But it's more than words, it's about action.
We're learning to stand up against racism, to be allies, and to make sure no one is left out.
And if you don't know what to say g'day.
And it's time to celebrate the diversity that makes our community vibrant and unique.
Together we can build a Sunshine Coast that shines brightly, welcoming people from every walk of life.
Take the pledge, learn together, celebrate our diversity.